Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Italian pronunciation course by Drimora. I'm Hawa, and I will be your teacher guiding you throughout your learning Italian journey. So, in lesson 1, we have seen the vowels and their different pronunciations. Today, we're going to see how to pronounce Italian group of vowels because they can be a little bit difficult to get. So, we're going to see come pronunciare I gruppi di vocaboli in italiano. So if you're ready, let's start. So, as we have seen, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, with O and E that has the closed and open sound. So, O, U. So now, as you can see here, the vowels are divided into two groups. We have on the left side I, U, and on the right side A, E, O. Why that? This is because we have divided the vowels into weak and strong. So I, U are called weak vowels, while A, E, O are called strong. And this is helpful for understanding some of the grammar behind the Italian pronunciation and writing skills that you will acquire at the end of this lesson. Let's look at the double vowels. When we have two vowels together, there are two cases that can occur, and the first one is called ditongo. And that is when a weak vowel is followed by a strong vowel. So weak, I, U, plus a strong A or E or O. So let's look at some example. Uomo, which means man. Pieno, which means full. Fiore, which means flower. Causa, which means cause. Now, why I've talked to you about il ditongo? That's not put that for no reason, but this is because if you are studying, for example, Italian to go to a university or something like that, when you are writing a letter, for example, and you have no more space and you have to go on the next line, but you haven't finished your word, this is when Italian can be a little bit tricky. That's because il ditongo cannot be divided. A strong plus a weak letter or a weak plus a strong letter cannot be divided. So uomo, pieno, fiore, causa. You cannot say uomo, pieno, fiore. That cannot be done. It's wa, ye, yo, au all together. It cannot be divided. The second case is when we have the iato, which is a strong vowel plus another strong vowel. So A, E, O. And in this case, the iato has to be divided. So let's look at some example. Teatro, which means theater. And in this case, when you have to divide the syllables, this would be te, a, tro. Te, as you can see, is one syllable. A forms another syllable, and tro, another one. Then poeta, poeta, which is poets. So in this case, the same thing goes for this one. Since O and A are strong vowels, in this case, they form two separate syllables. So po, e, ta. Poeta. Perfect. Now, this is everything for what regards the vowels pronunciation. And what I like to do to practice also their pronunciation is repeating this amazing word, which is aiuola. Aiuola. As you can see here, there are almost all vowels and also almost all the vowels that are in the Italian alphabet. We have A, I, U, O, and the only one that miss is the E. But don't worry, we have a suffix for that. So aiuola means garden and it is singular. But when you have to say gardens, you would say aiuole. Aiuole. So as you can hear, there is also the vowel E. Aiuole. So this is a very easy way to practice the pronunciation of all the vowels of the Italian alphabet. So let's repeat it one more time. Aiuola. Aiuola. Aiuole. Perfect. So that's all for today's lesson. See you on the next one. Ciao.